Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm using the Botanical Prints product medley. So this is a medley that's in the mini catalogue that came out in January, and with it has the stamps, the dies, embellishments, it has papers. Basically it's a one-stop shop for everything that you want. There's punch outs, the lot. But this is the DSP that is in there, and it's gorgeous. I think there's 6 different types, but this is the one that I really just fell in love with. So I made a panel card to feature it. Let me show you how to do it. It is very simple. You want your card base. So this is a piece of A4 thick whisper white. I've cut it in half and I've scored it in half. Ready to make my card base. To grab my bone folder. Okay, I then have some panels. So I have my background panel. This is 10 centimetres by 14.3 centimetres, and I'm just going to adhere it to the cardstock. So that's what makes my panel. I then have a panel of whisper white. This is 9.5 centimetres by 13.8. So I've just gone down half a centimetre with it. If you're in America and your cardstock are different sizes, just go down 1/4 of an inch. Okay. So there's your panel, like that. I then have another panel here. This is basic black and it's the same height, so it's 13.8, but it's by 8 centimetres. I'm going to adhere that on and I'm going to pop it in the middle of the panel, sitting flush with both edges like that. Okay, and this bit here is exactly the same height, 13.8 centimetres. But across here, where this was 8 centimetres, this is 7.5. So again, I'm still playing with the half centimetres and going down. Make sure it's stuck the right side up. There are daffodils in it, so it should help to get it the right way around. I didn't notice the daffodils first of all. I'm not assuming that you're going to get it the wrong way. I'm just telling you what I did the first time I did it. So that's your panel card. The sentiment's pretty simple. You want a little bit of basic black in a strip and your embossing buddy. I've used the Sentiment Friend here on the Botanical Prints stamp set. I quite like the font on this stamp set. It's quite a nice font. So I'm going to be using my Versamark. Use the Friend and pop that on there. Stampin' emboss powder in white. There we go. And I'm just going to rest that on top of a block for me to heat emboss it. So I'm just going to get my heat tool. If you've got me on sound, turn me down because this will blare out for a second. Once that's heat embossed, I'm just using my snips. I'm just going to cut it at a slant. And that is pretty much the end of the sentiment. That's the hardest part of this card. A nice simple 5 minutes card, which is a great idea if you get the medley, because you've got everything in there. You can quite easily create these cards within seconds and keep them on hand for whenever an occasion arises. And for friend, or you could use that for a birthday, for a get well, for a greeting card, for any sort of thing. And that's your card. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you for joining me. If you want to have a look at the medley, It is in the catalogue. Let me show you which page. It's towards the back, hidden away. Just there, £65, but it does include all the papers, the die cuts, the ribbons. It has so much stuff in it. Check that out. It's purchasable from my store, stampinup.com. Go up to the header, click buy. It's called the Botanical Prints Medley. If you do purchase it, don't forget to use my hostess code for any orders, because then I send you a little thank you gift for shopping with me. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe and drop back for my other videos. See you all soon. Bye.